course I am.
Okay.
Of course.
What are you wearing now? Let me see.
I'm in the pajamas.
I only see your pajamas. I want to see the front, the back, like the way you did it yesterday with the suit. Oh, it's nice. Nice pajamas. Turn around, let me see it. Is it trouser or shorts?
Trouser.
Let me see the length. Raise your leg. I can't see. Oh, okay, I see. Nice. Wow. What brand is that?
It's fine here.
Oh, okay, it's nice. Wow. You have good taste. Yeah. Yeah, I see.
How much I wish I could have hugged you.
Aww.
I did that day and it was so nice. It put me to sleep immediately.
A hug from you put you to sleep, eh?
The last time you did to me, didn't it put me to sleep?
It did.
Mm-hmm.
Straight. It put you straight to sleep. What are you drinking?
Water.
Water. Okay. Okay. So, what's the time there?
9:24.
And what time is your meeting?
I'm going down at 10. I'm going to the bath now.
Okay.
To have a bath with you.
Okay.
We're going to bath together.
Ish. Okay. That would be some serious bath. When you finish bathing, when you finish dressing up, are you going to call me for me to see what you're wearing? So I approve it.
Great. I'll do
Okay.
that.
All right. So I'll be waiting, babes.
I love you.
All right. Bye.